guys, we're going to be back with another video. Today's a special day. Today we're going to be putting the engine and we're going to be putting the stage 3 clutch. And I want to show you guys what else there is in the car. And yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, so I want to show you the rack and pinions installed, and this is the back engine mount already installed too. That's what it looks. Okay guys, so we're going to install the flywheel and we have to tuck it down, but before we have to put Loctite.
Yeah. Ooh, you just make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She want a rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do, right through the night with you. Through the nights I'm flipping, through the nights I'm texting, through the nights that I'm with you. Oh girl, I got a confession. If you say that you love me, then prove it that you love me. Nothing else above me. Oh girl, you are so lovely. Ooh, you just make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She want a rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do. Right through the night with you.
Okay guys, so I just put everything in my hand and I already put Loctite. And first it's 76 foot-pounds, but we're gonna start with 45. So yeah, let's get to it.
Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Bass and the beat got me going insane. Man, I got the party going off the chain. It's been a long week, so I ain't gonna sleep. Put my hands in the air, I'm letting go of the pain. On the grind, man, I've never been a watcher. Too sick, but I don't wanna doctor. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. 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 Lift off, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift off, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift off, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift off, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Got me going insane, going off the chain. It's been a long week, so I ain't gonna sleep. Put my hands in the air, I'm letting go of the pain. On the grind, man, I've never been a watcher. Too sick, but I don't wanna go.
Okay guys, so we're gonna get ready to install the clutch to the flywheel, but first we're gonna clean the surface with brake cleaner.
Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. When I'm on the mic, man, I'm on another level. One on my side, but I dance for the devil. Bust through the door, right, following the rules. If you're messing with me, then you're messing with a rebel. When I'm on the mic, man, I'm on another level. One on my side, but I dance for the devil. Bust through the door, right, following the rules. If you're messing with me, then you're messing with a rebel.
messing with me, then you're messing with a rebel. You're right, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah. If you're messing with me, then you're messing with a rebel. You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah. Yeah.
You're like a gamble, I pay the price. Thought I could handle something undefined. Give me a reason to raise the stakes, 'cause I can't walk away. You keep taking the upper hand and you're leaving me exposed. I don't think I stand a chance when your feelings never show. Your love is a wild card, folding is the hard part. I don't know if you'll hold me or leave me here feeling lonely. Your love is a wild card, can't let this go too far. I don't know if you'll hold me or break my heart, 'cause your love is a wild card.
This is what everything looks like. I don't have videos of how the process was going because I didn't know where to put the camera, but I'm gonna show you guys a video. But here we're gonna slide it to the bottom so we won't scratch everything. We're getting ready to put in the engine right now. So yeah, we're gonna do it from the bottom so we won't scratch any of this. And yeah, I'll show you guys that process. Let's get to it.
Game I'll never win, then why do I always start again? Oh, you keep taking the upper hand and you're leaving me exposed. I don't think I stand a chance when your feelings never show. Your love is a wild card, folding is the hard part. I don't know if you'll hold me or leave me here feeling lonely. Your love is a wild card, can't let this go too far. I don't know if you'll hold me or break my heart, 'cause your love is a wild
In the gangster's paradise.
in the gangster's paradise.
In the gangster's paradise.
Keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me why are we so
Another spell I try to break. Up in the air every time. Is it your smile? Is it your ways? No, it won't work out. Should've known better. It never works out. Every time I got a bad habit of loving you. I got a bad habit. I got a bad habit of loving you. I got a bad habit of loving you. I got a bad habit of loving you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Look how beautiful my engine is turning out. I want you guys to stay and watch for the next videos. I can't wait. I cannot stress enough to say I can't wait for the next stuff we're gonna do. Hopefully the engine can start. As soon as it's about to start, I'm gonna show you guys. I won't let you guys not see it. I'm always gonna show you guys everything. Stay tuned for the next videos. Subscribe, like the video, comment if anything you want to tell me. Share the video with your family. My project is your project, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.